ikaw! Joshua Garcia finally confirmed may jowa pala siya for 3 years!
And fans are gagged. Emilian Vigier, French-Filipina golfer. Secret love story stealth mode.
Quick lang mga tropa, kung gusto nyo lagi updated sa mga chika, hit subscribe, like, and share. Para cool ka na, supportive ka pa. A message from Pinoy Showbiz Chika.
3 taon na pala? Eh di niloko niya fans. Parang ninja move, love life.
Niloko? No. Brutal truth. Fans don't own his heart. Ang OA na expectations.
So parang secret menu sa fast food. Joshua had a hidden combo meal.
Secret menu, more like VIP access. Only Emilian got the password.
Some fans feel betrayed. Parang, bro, we supported you tapos may secret ka?
Others clap back. Good move, Joshua. Love offline is stronger. Brutal but true. Savage! So true!
Pero celeb siya, don't fans deserve transparency?
Transparency sa career, oo.
So privacy is off limits?
Sorry, walang refund policy sa fandom. Entitled pa rin si Joshua sa privacy. Huwag kang ano!
Look at other celebrities. Events in their lives went public without consent.
Joshua's love stayed private by choice. Brutal reminder, consent matters.
Fans wanted Kilig content pero Joshua gave them 0. Brutal move.
Kilig is not a contract. Brutal fact, he owes fans movies, not his bedroom. Bedroom secrets are off limits.
Pero teka, ang daming movies ni Joshua ang di mo ma-watch kung sa ibang bansa ka nag-stay.
Kung nasa Pilipinas ka, block naman yung foreign shows mo. Ang malas mo talaga.
Simple lang, gumamit ka ng VPN. Set mo location kung saan available yung show, boom, unlock.
Nasa description yung link. Kung block pa rin, ibig sabihin hindi ka nag-click.
O balik na tayo kay Joshua! Lesson, huwag kang mag-secret kung di mo kaya backlash, ang bashing at kung ano-ano pa.
Or wag kang mag-overshare kung gusto mong tumagal ang relasyon. Brutal but true. Nagsasabi lang ako ng totoo.
3 taon na pala siyang may training partner. Siguro ang galing na nito. Magaling sa buhay!
Training partner, more like life partner. Brutal shade fans were just the audience. Masakit na katotohanan.
So fans betrayed? Masakit ba na parang pinagtaguan kayo ng totoong nangyayari? Idol niyo siya, di ba?
Fans entitled. Brutal but true. Hindi lahat ng kilig para sa inyo. Isaksak nyo yan sa ulo nyo.
Mga kachika, stay tuned. Next scandal, next savage truth, we'll spill it all. Asahan nyo yan?
Kahit masakit, kahit savage, we'll say it straight. Don't blink. Kami pa wala kaming feelings.
Joshua Garcia, betrayal or genius move? Comment down below mga besh. Let us know what you think. Express nyo na yan.
Either way, privacy's power. Brutal wisdom, mga kachika. Yan ang Pinoy Showbiz Chika.
Quick lang mga tropa, kung gusto nyo lagi updated sa mga chika, hit subscribe, like, and share. Para cool ka na, supportive ka pa. A message from Pinoy Showbiz Chika.